Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to try to do a puff on my TWA. In case you don't know what a TWA is, it's a teeny weeny afro, which is what I have. So I'm starting with that coil enhancing smoothie from Sheer Moisture. I really love it. My hair is freshly washed, so I need to put in some moisture, and yes, that's what I did. So I'm using that very soft hairbrush because my hair needs all the TLC that you can get, so I didn't want to use a hard brush. So I'm going in with some Eco Styler gel just to see what it will look like when my hair is slicked down. And with this TWA, you really need to slick the hair down. But I didn't leave the Eco Styler gel in my hair for long. I actually washed it out within a few hours because I was actually just trying to see what it will look like. And if you've been following me on my channel for a while, you know that I've lost my hair a few times, so I'm really careful what I use. And there I am putting some more Eco Styler gel in my hair. But yeah, it was just for YouTube anyway. I didn't really leave the style in my hair for a very long time. So I had a bit of an issue getting something that I could use to hold my hair up. So I ended up using a stocking. So that's what you can see. There's a stocking and also a hairband which snapped, so I had to tie it at the back. And yeah, this is how it looked. The front really looked scanty, so I didn't leave it in for a long time because I felt I looked like a 15-year-old. But yeah, the back looked okay. So I'll give it a few more months and then try it again. But what do you think, guys? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.